Happy New Year! What can you do to make this year awesome? 2019 may or may not have been a good year for you, and that's okay. But in this new year is the time to make things better and change all of that. If you're willing, of course. So, what can you do to change your future and make it better in 2020? Hello my beautiful people, my name is Sheila and welcome to my channel. New Year's are a great opportunity to have a fresh new slate at life and create beautiful, life-changing decisions. So, what are you going to do for 2020? I have some opportunities, some goals, that I want to do for myself, and I hope that I can share that with you. Reduce your debts. Everybody needs to do that. Reduce your debts because it will help you and your mind be a little bit more free. We all have student loans, mortgages, or whatever credit card debts that you may have. So tackle one at a time so that you can have a little bit more free spirit at the end of the year. Money is one of the main factors that causes stress in families, especially when the income is fairly low. Reducing debt will eliminate little by little the anxiety that keeps you from enjoying life. Save and invest. Yes, these are two different topics, but for the sake of this video, we'll just put everything into one. Saving up will give you enough money that you can invest in something that you had your eyes on for a long time. Maybe that house that you really wanted, or your startup business. So saving up is always a good thing to, whatever it may be, to start doing, especially today in 2020. One of the things that I like to do is actually save money in a high interest savings account like Ally Bank. So maybe that might be something for you. There are many banks out there, so pick one that fits your needs. Let's be present. We usually forget about the moment that we are in right now. So let's take that into consideration and focus on making those connections that we have magical. So this year, focus on being here with the people that you love. Pick one habit, just one healthy habit that you can focus on for the rest of the year. I want to focus on my stomach, but maybe you want to focus on drinking water every single day. Make that habit small enough so that you can conquer it for the rest of the year. This will make it easier for you to be focused on it and not move away from that particular goal. And then, if you figure out that you can move a little closer and have another goal, then you add on to it. But focus on one thing at a time and you'll get there. Build your connections. See, in the first segment we said that we need to be present, and now we have to build connections. Whether it's for building your business or for your personal satisfaction. Meeting new people and having connections can be one of the greatest gifts that you can give yourself and or your business. Having these types of connections can fuel your business or your personal attributes if you allow people who have the experience that you are looking for to give you the advice. And be present in those particular times. But be careful. Choose wisely who your connections are. You should analyze your personality and see who can best complement your type of mood and personality for you to move on in this life. You don't have to get along with everybody, but you will find along the way people that can complement you in ways that you can never imagine. So think about that. Build your connections for 2020. Find one non-materialistic thing that will make you happy, at least for a few minutes of the day. This way, you can fall back into something like that whenever you do feel sad. So this will be a constant in your life that you can go back again and again when you feel lost, sad, or have nowhere else to go. Alright, those are the few things that I wish for myself and for you this year. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, smash the like button, of course, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will put links of random things that I do in the description box, so I hope you enjoy that as well. Until next time, Happy New Year!